Hey guys, this is Ronell with Southside Tech, and today we have a GoPro that's displaying a no battery indicator. Despite powering on, you'll see here, let's get a screenshot, let's get it cleared up, no battery. It looks like when you open it up, you get a swollen battery. It looks like it went bad. You'll find it hard to remove, so we're going to push out like that. And here's the old battery, a little puffy, and can't hold a charge. So here we have the replacement battery here from Amazon. And let's give it a try. Let's grab some scissors here. Let's get this thing opened. So I can say this battery must have lasted maybe 2-3 years. Heavy use as a dash cam on my vehicle before it went bad. Let's open this package. Here's your replacement battery. It looks authentic. Huh. Yes, it is. That's it. And we're going to throw this in, like so. Close the GoPro. So now we should get battery level. Unless it's completely dead. Just in case, we're gonna plug the charger in. We can kickstart. Okay, it's booting up. And I'm looking for a battery indicator. Nothing on the screen yet. So let me take one more look here, just to make sure. So we did seat it in, right? I'm guessing this original battery is this new battery is really dead, so it may require some time to charge. Give that a shot one more time. Let me plug it in. So this still doesn't want to charge. Let me go ahead and reseat this new battery. Hey guys, this is Ronell with Southside Tech. Today we're going to try again, part 2. So the last battery I bought was from Amazon, from a third-party vendor. And as you can see in a previous video, it did not work. My battery was still undetected by the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So we're going to try another one. That's supposed to be the official GoPro battery, but I am skeptical as well. This one I bought from Best Buy, but we'll see. It's supposed to have a blue bottom, a little different from the one I had last time, which is a black bottom version. So we'll try this one and see. Let me get some scissors to cut this open. I'm hoping it works this time. I would like to use my GoPro eventually. Right now I'm using the older version, but let's get this open real quick. There we go. I feel like I was struggling to open these boxes here. Here we go. Alright. So we're going to cross our fingers today. Hopefully this works. Okay, as you can see, GoPro, blue bottom, please work. So what's in the box? Limited lifetime warranty. Let's try again. Oh, let's see. Okay, fits in snugly. And still, as you can see, no battery. So I'm thinking it must be an issue with my GoPro. I mean, 2 different batteries, brand new, and one directly right from Best Buy. And this is the right model as well. It's kind of an issue with my camera. So I guess I'm gonna avoid the Hero Black, GoPro Hero 7 Black, and go buy another one. Thanks for watching. This is Southside Tech.